Hey, I'm Mo late, you're late.
Damn it. Yes, I was late today. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Yes, this time I was too focused on something else. Yeah, I noticed I was late. A bit
Hello.
early. Yeah. Hello, welcome. Yes. Hello. Welcome, how are you? How are you today? Hello. How are you? Finally got an answer regarding that thing that was stressing me out since last week. Wow. 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 That's good. At least you got your answer. Yes. Now you can relax. Yeah. Yes. I was watching a stream today, and I had forgotten that the Persona games existed. So uh, I'm kinda tempted to play the Persona games. Yeah. It was more a report than an answer. I see, I see. Yeah. I was watching the game and I was a bit intrigued by the lore. Yeah. Ship. So I'm a bit tempted to play the games. Yeah. You find it funny? I was watching someone play the first few hours of Persona 3, and I know nothing about the games, and I'm already suspecting the chairman as the main villain. Yeah. There is just way too many coincidences for the principal not to be a villain. Yeah. But I don't know. Don't spoil me. I wanna play them. Yeah. Maybe on stream. I actually don't know how what to call it, long the games are. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, I was tempted about that. I also watched someone play Bioshock, and it turns out I didn't know that you could gamble in the coin slot machines in certain places in the game. I never actually tried to interact with those. It's the first time I see someone use them. Yeah. The person playing was supposedly a really good shot. They were very good shooters. But they sucked ass at hacking. They would rather destroy the turrets and cameras instead of hacking them. Which is ironic because I played that game hacking everything under the sun. Yeah. It's surprising how different people play that game. Yes. I was also, when it comes to the game, given this is a development stream, I was actually working on the themes for some of the late game dungeons. And I realized that I know how this game starts, but I don't know how the game ends, which is a bit annoying because there is this big gap between the start of the game and the end of the game that has not been yet accounted for. Yeah. I was also thinking about the kind of puzzles I want to add to the game. Yeah. Yes. We'll see, we'll see. I was also playing with Audacity, with the software, trying to figure out how to improve a few stuff here and there to make more sound alerts. And so far it's going pretty good. Yeah, I learned how to separate channels somewhat effectively. Yeah. Not like you will allow yourself to do otherwise. Yeah. But then again, that's why in game development and in general in software development, one is not supposed to how to call it, check and approve your own code. You are supposed to have someone else check it because you tend to ignore bugs because you have a bias when they're making some software. Yeah. You usually overlook a lot of very obvious stuff, even if you are careful. That's why you need to have someone check it. Yeah. But I don't have anyone to check it. So there will be bugs. And there might be some designs that are going to be probably not the optimal ones. But I'm going to try to add as much depth into the game as possible. Yeah. Yeah. I'm also been thinking about the lore of the game. How I'm going to structure it in such a way so to give a good story, right? The more I read the dialogue I write, the more issues I find with them. And I was wondering if I should go bit by bit, checking the dialogue and fixing stuff. But then again, I feel like I'm going to get stuck at some point, and then I will never be able to progress. So I was maybe considering doing all the dialogue and all the game, and then start like polishing it little by little. But that means I will have a lot of changes, right? Further ahead, which might or might not actually screw up the structure of the game in general, right? I have also been practicing something. That might be a surprise. I might do it for the 500th subscriber anniversary, or maybe earlier. I will give you a a sample. Yeah, a little bit of surprise. I don't even know if I can actually pull it off. Yeah, a sneak peek. But then again, I'm not sure I can actually do it because it's not related to programming or the game or anything of the sort. Yeah. I wonder if I can even do it. The issue with that is that it's not something you can actually YOLO. It's something that has a very high skill check. Yeah. Yes. The issue is that if I do it wrong, it will actually hurt me physically. But if I do it right, it would be, let's say, an incredible good surprise. And if I don't reach the required skill check, I might not even show it off. Because I'm the kind of person that doesn't like to show off something if I don't think it's good enough. Yeah. What do I mean for me physically? Yeah, exactly that. I could get injured if I don't do it correctly. Yes. Not that I am very worried about that kind of stuff, because I am surprisingly good at not injuring myself. Yeah. Yes. It's let's say, a skill I probably, well, it's not required, but it would be a huge boost for my quote-unquote career as a VTuber. Yeah. It would be incredible if I managed to pull it off. Yeah. But we will see. We will see. We will see. Let me close a bunch of stuff I have open before we switch to the other screen. No, it's more it's a skill that has a really high skill ceiling. It requires a lot of talent to master. There is no, how to call it, there is not a high risk of injury, but there is a chance, right? Especially if you are not doing it following a master, especially if you are not training formally for it, the risk of injury is higher. Yeah.
Backflip FR.
Will you believe me, I have tried that. I cannot actually do a backflip, sadly. At least not without some impulse. Yeah. The way I say it sounds like something with a sword. I suppose. Yeah. It's just that I technically have a formal education with the sword, so the likeness of me injuring myself with a sword is very low. Next to none. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let me switch to the game depth screen real quick so we can continue.
A. I'm late, you're late. Hello.
Yes, I'm late. Mwah.
Backflip FR.
Yeah, you will see it eventually. If I manage to pull it off. Which is a bit questionable. So last time we were working on the ship, right? I believe we are going fairly well. Let me... Actually, I forgot to open my reference. 1 second. Reference. Not that one. Game projects. Reference. Level shipwreck. There we go. This is the current reference for the ship. Right? We added these rooms. The ones with the bedrooms and that kind of stuff. So far so good, I would say. The other rooms, I think they need an upgrade just to make them look a bit more like actual rooms for the dungeon. Yeah. Himigoto? I have actually seen both of those. Yes. Let's see. Wow. Okay. So we were saying that the way the structure is done right now. Let me switch. To white. Okay, so the way right now is we enter through here, go to the right, go up, to the left, and in theory we should go all the way over here to actually get the bomb, right? And then from the bomb we can go to these two rooms to actually get the keys. And from there you can tackle this or this door. This one is optional, and the other one goes to the next part of the dungeon, right? That's the idea, currently. Which one should we do next? Should I focus on the critical route for now? From here forward? Yeah. That's a good question. Why are you talking about that? Okay. So we will work with for 1 today. Let me close this and we go to for 1. Rooms. Wait, does this work? Shit. Hold up. I have 2 mouses that I switch whenever one runs out of battery. I grab the other one. And today I forgot this mouse doesn't have the button I use for the zoom in. The zoom in is not working. Scripts, Chrome, Game Maker. There we go. Okay, so we wanted first half room for 1. Okay. So something like Sword? Yeah, how did you get from Sword to Fanboy? Where is your head at? What are you thinking about? How? Let's see. Here is for 1. There is no blockage right there, so I can leave the room like that. And I want to make this like this one needs to be what to call it, living spaces, right? In theory. And last time I also wanted to make a carpet, and I never finished. How about we work on that? Sprites, tile sets, carpet. Okay, what kind of carpet do you think would be nice? Layer 3. Something of this color? Maybe something a bit darker? Yeah, that looks better. Okay, let's see. The way I want to structure this is a very particular way. And since this tile set is not meant to block the player, I think I'm going to take some liberties with the tile set. Ideally prefer a pattern like those on Russian carpets. So that might be a little bulkier. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with the carpet. But for now I will just make the pattern. Yeah. Wait, I'm doing this on the ground layer, which is not a good thing. Okay. Basically, every time someone told me a dirty joke or comment, I will act innocent to force them to go into detail and embrace themselves. That's a nice tactic. Yeah. Yeah, personally, I have a very, what to call it, difficult time with certain kind of personalities. Yeah. Talking about the subject, I mean. I have encountered some ladies that are a bit too, what to call it, not eager, but more like a bit too good at manipulating people. Because I usually, when I go into a discussion or something of the sort, I usually resort to logic and arguments, right? But there are certain types of, well, maybe it's just a single type of lady that is really good at, how to say it, dismantle my argument without refuting my argument, which is extremely distressing for me. Yeah. The worst part is that I know no, it's not that, not the art of saying a lot without actually saying anything. Not that one. How to do it? How to say this? Actually, there are a few VTubers that actually have that personality. That is really, 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 really hard for me to deal with. You probably know Matara-kan from Bisoyo. Yeah, when she starts filtering, when she starts teasing people, she acts exactly like those ladies. Yeah. Those ladies, I have a really hard time actually dealing with them. Yeah. Mm, Would you elaborate on how they do that? Let's say I'm on a party. I'm not a very social person, right? I never had many friends or anything of the sort. So usually at a party, I like to just uh, sit with a group of friends, usually very small, and how to say it, just chat, right? Have a good time. But there are these kinds of ladies that want to have everyone, for example, join the fun and dance, for example. Even if I do provide arguments, sound arguments, for example, if I give something that you cannot really refute, like, oh, I simply don't like to dance, right? I don't want to. They will argue in such a way where you cannot actually argue back, but without really dismantling your argument. For example, there was this one lady at a party that she was way, way, way older than me, right? And I was just with my buddy, the explorer. We were literally chatting at a table, and she came over and requested to dance with me, right? And I said, well, I don't dance, right? I don't like it. No, thank you, right? And she went, oh, but this was at a birthday, by the way. She was, but I'm the birthday girl, and I wanna dance with you. Do it for me, just in one time, right? And then, at that point, if I refuse again, I will be the asshole, right? So I cannot do anything but accept. They do that kind of moves, where they will basically corner you in the arguments like that. Yeah. The worst part is that usually those ladies are extremely charismatic, right? They have this magnetism about them that makes them be very popular, very extroverted, right? So if you push too much, refuse too much, push too much against her in the argument, you will basically become the villain in the party. Yeah. So they don't really provide a good argument to the things they are trying to convince you to do. But they say it in such a way where you cannot really refuse. Yeah. Yeah, but the issue that doesn't really work with me either. Peer pressure is not an issue, right? The problem is that I have a very hard time forming an argument against her, right? Because how to call it? I don't know how to explain it. They have this way with words where they provide you with a valid argument without really refuting what you say. So if you repeat yourself, it's useless, right? I don't know how to explain it. It's really hard. The worst part is that it doesn't work if it's not that particular kind of personality. Yeah, that's the issue. They have a point. Yeah, that would be the best way to put it. They have a sound argument, even if they don't disprove your argument. Yeah. And the worst part is that they know they are doing it in that structure. So, how to say it? They are not only extroverted, they are smart, right? They are like, how to call it? Skilled at it, at arguing. Yeah. They are not only extroverted, they are charming, they are smart, and how to say it? They argue in a way where you cannot really justify saying no, right? So I have a really hard time with that kind of girls. Yeah. Let me add the carpet. Calcet carpet. Let's see if this works. Not quite. Huh. The tile set might be not correct. This tile set might not be correctly mapped. So let's see. Given the fact that this right here is basically the issue is on the borders, right? So I should basically invert the borders. Well, it depends on the kind of person you are. Because I am a person that relies on logic and arguments, if I cannot find a way to justify not doing something, I'm basically obliged to do it. It's like, how do I say this? It's like she's using my own values and principles against me, right? I suppose that's one way of putting it. Yeah. Okay, according to me, that should fix some stuff. Yeah, if I do this. Not quite. It worked for one of them. Okay, so this should be like this. That should be like that. That part should be like this. That should be like that. That should be this. I will leave that one as it is. That one should be the corner. That should be this one. I'll leave that one as it is. That should be the other way around. That should be a corner. That should be the other way around. That should be a corner. Another corner. And that's it, I think. There we go. Now that looks way better. This is supposed to be a shape. Yes, you can provide the reason not to. You have to. Well, the way my brain works, yeah, I have to. Yes, it's more an issue with the way I'm programmed, the way I'm built. Yeah. If I don't have a reason to refuse, I cannot really refuse. Okay, that looks wrong. I probably should invert those two. So this should be that, and this should be this. Okay. Yeah. That's probably what most people would do. The issue is that I don't do that. I had to have a good reason to refuse. Yeah. That means no matter how angry I am, no matter how to say it, how much I disagree with something, as long as the other party has a good argument, as long as they have a point, I will probably go along with it. Yeah. New witness found. Yeah, as long as you can actually provide a sound argument. Yeah. There is not much I can do there. Okay, now let's fix this. So this is going to be... let's leave it red. I wanna remove this layer because I don't need it. Let's see. Which ones are the ones I need? Let me see. I know I need that one. Actually, let me mark the ones. Let me mark the ones that I have the holes, because I don't actually need the ones with the holes. I believe those are all right. The ones with the holes. Okay, so let me do a pass, deleting anything that is here. Just so I can have a clean tile set. Okay. I already did these ones. I need to do this one. Okay. Any specific weakness in social settings? That's a good question. Wow. I suppose he's not watching. So that's why I see the number of concurrent viewers go up and down at random on the stream. Aha! I found the trader among us. And here I thought there were people coming in and leaving from the stream. It was just Kilfara joining and leaving the stream randomly. Wow. Wow. By the way, if you have any music from Epidemic Sound, decide where I get the music, the background music from, that you think would fit the development stream or any other stream. Feel free to suggest them. I can add them to the rotation of songs. Yeah. Oh, he's back. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. First two are those two. Okay, so those are right. Then I have the up and down is in counter corner. Okay, so let me move this one. Over here. And down is counter, so that would be here. Okay, those two. Then we have down and divided. Down and divided. Okay, that matches. Actually, it doesn't. This is the one we need. And that one is supposed to be down to the left. So these two are inverted. Okay. Yeah, those two are inverted. Okay. Okay, this goes right there. And that goes right there. Those are good. We need this one over here. Okay. That is over there, and then we have facing right and the corner. Facing right and the corner. Okay, facing right, and I need a corner also. I just want to get the tile set structured correctly. That's the corner. Okay. Then we need down, and I believe that's correct. Okay. And then we need two corners, right and left, pointing downwards. So that would be right here, like that. And then we need the other one. Okay. So this one goes right here. We have that correct, and I fix the rest. Did I? No, I'm missing one. Yeah. Let's see, that's correct. This one is correct. Okay. Hold on, let me match this one. I'm supposed to be doing it like this. I'm missing a corner right here. That corner. Okay, that matches. This one is wrong. Yeah, this should be the next one over. Yeah, these two should be the other way around. Okay, so I grab this one. Like that. And this one goes over here. Right? So if I go through here, we have that. I'm missing a corner right there still. That is correct. Those are correct. Okay, so I'm missing a corner right there, right next to this one. And that would be this corner right here. Let's see. What are you guys talking about? I was here, just no chat, just mentioned you want to attack. Okay, guys, now that you're talking about Ricardo, you have those emoji, just gonna just supposed to add you here. You want to add myself, Ricardo, probably something is here in that case. Yeah, you know, I don't know how to mention. Right now, how to mention calcular with emojis. Just let I work with the second one. Okay, thanks. Is replying to autocomplete too much. Verthandy basically said that she has specific instruction settings. Now I'm curious about yours. And just social abilities. Okay. I got cut off. Great chat. Okay, I want to resize this. Edit image, rotate, resize all frames. Resize canvas. I just want on height. I just need 64. Really? Wow. So it defaults to the bottom part? The size? And frames. If I modify the height to 64, we keep what? Yeah, we just keep the bottom row. Interesting. So I have to move all these to the bottom row. Lovely. Okay. Image size 64. Apply. Yeah. Wow. There we go. Let's see. Ah, okay. That doesn't work. Hold on a second. Okay. So I can set this one to that. And then I just go through this. Ah, the last one needs to be blank. Like that. Okay. Now that looks way better. And that looks way weird. Okay, if I do this, that looks fairly well. There is just one issue. This issue right here. And that looks nice. Okay. Now we have the kind of stuff I wanted. Okay, now let's work on the thingy. So we want a interesting edge, right? Let me switch this to 8. So we have some lines to work with. How should I make this work? Should I use something like this? I could add a line like this. A line. And then I can do half circles. Actually, let me do this in a different layer. Oh wait, I'm already on a different layer. Like that. Maybe I will do it 16 by 16 because this is confusing me a little bit. Yeah. You know what could be with me? It might be the same situation, that because I need to be always like logical and well structure with my arguments. If someone gives me a valid argument that I cannot really argue back, then I am forced to actually follow through. Yeah, that could be the issue. Yeah, mine is a bit more of a principle. Yes, you're indeed correct. Back my Wi-Fi died. Yeah, he must be devastated. The loss of a cherished ethereal companion. He has to be devastated. Yeah. Social settings should be social interaction. That's interesting. Just social interaction in general? With me, the only thing that happens is that if I'm somewhere with a lot of people, I get tired very fast. My batteries run out really fast. Yeah. Look at that. That looks quite nice. Yeah. Yeah, that looks really nice. Let's see, what else? I think I need to join these ones somehow. Maybe with a circle, like that. And then we just delete. You just delete this. There's just battery run just by being near a crowd or having to interact with them. Just being near a crowd as long as I'm within the same social gathering. For example, I can be in a plaza, completely crowded, without issues. But if I'm, for example, in a birthday party, even if I don't interact with anyone, just the sole fact that I'm in the event actually drains me. Yeah. I had to be like part of the event. Yeah. It's not enough for there to be people. There has to be people I know, basically. Or that know me. People who are aware of me. Yeah. That's what drains me the most. That looks kinda nice, I would say. Not perfect. It looks a bit weird, given we have the other corners being not round. Yeah. Yeah, that's really, really heavy on me. Mainly because my family has to basically answer a lot of gatherings, organize them even. That's really rough on me. Yeah. And even more because usually the people we have to deal with are not the very, how to say it, nice kind of people. They are a bit of a questionable in intentions and morals, more often than not. Yeah. So that's a bit heavy. Indeed. Maybe that's why I have that issue with gatherings. Is because I know, well, at least I, by instinct, believe everyone is watching me. They are like looking for openings and weakness. They are waiting for a mistake. That's why I'm always like tense when I'm at events. Maybe that's the origin for that. That would be a very feasible answer. Yeah. Not enough Vipers seeking an open to launch without mercy? Yeah, basically. That's why I can tell when someone is lying also. Because I grew around snakes. I know when someone says something and I can clearly tell they are full of bullshit. Yeah. I'm very good at noticing when a person doesn't mean what they are saying. Yeah. That looks a bit too straight, actually. but that doesn't work. I suppose I will leave it at this. Whatever. You can at least watch in 40p? Well, at least you can watch. Yeah. Welcome back. Welcome. Okay, let's see. Now that looks way better. Yeah. It looks a little bit weird, but it doesn't look so bad. In general. Yeah. Yeah, I'm planning on fixing that also. I want to do something a bit interesting with that. I want to go to this, and I'm going to just grab a few colors actually. So we have the one I'm using currently, this one, right? I will put it right here. We have that one. Skip grade, and then skip again, and skip again. Let's use those four. So what I'm going to do is grab this one bright one, and I'm just going to do something like this. Actually, I think I need to leave a little space below, so I'm moving this one. Okay. Now I finally understand what you meant by social selling. He figured it out. Okay. How does that look? Looks a bit weird. Okay, that looks better. It can't be a symptom. You are indeed correct. But it is not always. Not always a symptom. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, that looks kinda nice. It looks a bit weird. Okay, let me then go ahead and delete this. Like so. Just this space right here. And I want to round this a little bit, so let me just fix this a little bit, like that. And since I don't want this to be so even, let me just delete all this stuff. Just a tiny bit to make the thing a bit more uneven, like that. That looks quite nice. Does that look good? Or maybe it's a bit too much? I think it kinda looks good. Right? What do you guys think? Right? I think it looks fairly good. in general. I can grab this and use it over here. Maybe not here. Over here. Like that. Just to make things a bit easier for me. Not there. I need to use them on the outside. Like that. That should... Yeah, look at that. That looks quite nice. Yeah. It's starting to take shape. A bit too fancy for a ship? You think so? I was planning to use it, for example, for the captain's quarters. That would be an option. Let's see. Maybe here. Yeah, that looks way better. I think I already did most of the... ones that are supposed to go in this direction, I think. Am I missing anything here? This spot right here. This one is also completely on the ground spot. That looks nice. At least I think so. Hopefully it looks nice. Yeah. That's wrong. It should be like that. And I can do these ones also. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. I just need to add this one, and that should be pretty much all the carpet. Just missing these corners right there. Yeah. Looks from a carpet like from a shoujo manga. It actually does. Yes. There is a bit missing right there. Yeah, right here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that looks, I would say, pretty good. I just need to remove the corners. That would be pretty much everything up and on the ground layer. So I can just remove this. Like that. I won't be doing the corners yet. We said I was not going to do the corners yet. Okay, that's a corner right there, so I will ignore that one. Okay, that one I will ignore. Okay. This one looks nice. Let me do this right here. Speaking of which, regarding media, do you all have any preference in regards to tone and mood of the setting? You mean when I watch an anime or something of the sort? It depends on the kind of story I'm watching. If it's, for example, a very how to call it, combat heavy, I prefer it to be a bit more dark. Yeah, I don't like the stories where they defeat the villain with the power of love and friendship. I really don't like that stories. Yeah, I prefer it to be a bit more dark in general. Maybe because when I was on school, every time I read or see anime with that kind of setting, where they beat the bad guys using the power of love and friendship, I always low-key would think in my head, screw you, normies. Yeah, it's a bit cruel to show a kid who has no friends being the thing that defeats the villain is friendship and love, and here I am forever alone. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just missing the corners. Yeah, I prefer when the heroes are very resourceful and smart, and they are not like, how to say it, the author doesn't need to make the villains dumb as a rock for the hero to be able to win. Yeah, and the author doesn't also need to give the hero last minute superpowers to defeat the villain. Yeah, That's the kind of stories I like. The guns where they don't hand the win to the hero. I like those. Where did that... Oh, I see. I need to delete this dot right there. Yeah, I have heard a lot of JoJo. The only reason I have not really watched JoJo is mainly because I don't know. I think maybe the first time I watched it, it was a bit too much in general. But then again, back then I was very small. And I was watching the originals first episodes. Yeah, maybe that's why I didn't really pick up on the series at the start. And then I never tried again to watch the series. Ah, wrong layer. Yeah. Yeah, I also have like a shit ton of manhwas and mangas that I'm reading. Mainly because they go like in 6 months or more hiatus between chapters, and that is really annoying. And I'm not going to wait for them. Yeah. Ah. It was that one where the ghost of the defeated demon lord trains the hero's kid. Yeah, basically the demon is very skilled, strong, the hero won by the power of friendship. Yes, yeah. Okay, let's see. Now that looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it. It looks a bit weird like that, but not bad, not bad. Yeah, it looks nice, but it looks also a bit weird. It looks a bit too simple, is what I would say. Let me check if I can find some patterns for the for the carpet. Wanna know why I'm laughing? Check this out. I found this meme on Twitter. I wish all the shooters work like that. Yeah. Okay, let me search for the patterns. Carve. Patterns. Oh, those are some nice patterns. I want something closer to this. than the other stuff because the other looks a bit too complicated. Also, these look a bit too modern. This is from The Shining. That's the carpet from The Shining. Maybe something closer to this one. The one where there is a pattern along the border. Let's see, like this one, but without the center. Just this border would be nice. Something of the sort. That looks really nice, but it's a bit too complex. Oh, carpet pattern. Okay, that's closer to what I want. Yeah. That's a bit too blurry. This one looks quite nice. It almost looks like pixel art already. This one is actually quite nice. I see. So that's the way they do it. I see. Yeah, this almost looks like pixel art. Funny enough. Yeah, that actually looks like pixel art. Why does all these patterns look like they came out of a kaleidoscope? They look like they are trying to make optical illusions. It looks quite nice also. That's too complex. Oh, 89 technique carpet Adobe illustration. Huh. I'm just looking for inspiration. It looks quite nice. Right there. Maybe he's practiced to do much before designing the carpet. Okay. What I'm doing right now is acquiring a pattern in my head. Okay, so I can do 2 stamps and an edge. Yeah, I think that's the best idea. Okay. So it would be like this. Let me add a new layer. It would be basically, let's work on this right here. So it would be like this. So we have first a border, right? So because I'm using gold and red, maybe a dark blue would be a nice edge pattern. So let me hide this. It would be I need more guidance, like so. Okay, So what I'm going to do here is made a halfway point from here to there. Let's see. That's 1 point. Yeah, like this. Like that, okay. And then I need a pattern right there. So I can use one of the colors I was using. Maybe a bit brighter. And do something like a little pattern like that. Something like that. And then I can add a border to this. I can set the border like that. And I can use a bit more clear up here. That's a bit not correct. Something like that. A test glow. I didn't even notice that I was doing that. And just to finish up, I can adjust a little circle over here. Maybe not of that size. Do I have even enough for that? Let me go a bit darker. I can just put the dot like that. Then I can just grab all this and mirror it over here like that. And that gives us just that. And let's see. I can keep the pattern going on the bottom like that. And I change the top. Maybe instead of going blue, I could go, I don't know, orange. Or a bit more of a orange. Like that. And let's go darker. It looks a bit weird. Like this. Let's see. How about I use a darker blue for this next one? I could just make a little arrow, maybe? Would that be nice? So do something like this. And we can fill that up and go a bit darker. And just the little border like that. I can go a bit higher and just add I don't know, a pattern like this. Just to make it even. Maybe I should keep a little hole right there. Right? And I can enable this. Hold up. I can grab all this and invert it and place it. Where is the other one? This one right here. To see how it looks. It's looking better. Maybe I need a line to differentiate from the other one. So let's go a bit darker here. And I will just add a line here in the border, like that. It looks a bit weird. Even though I'm trying. Where is the other one? What do you think? Maybe I should invert these ones. Oh, okay. Now, like that looks better. Yeah, for example, this area looks pretty nice. Maybe the colors are still a bit vibrant. Maybe I should make it a bit darker. I was also thinking that, let me set this to 8. Some corners and don't look really good. So I'm going to grab this. Instead of having this weird bridge right here, I'm going to just set it like this. And then I just invert it. Like that. That probably will make it look a bit better. Like this. That way that looks like they are overlapping instead of being the same carpet. Yeah? That looks better, right? Okay. Let's see what else. I want to grab this pattern and I probably can use it right here. I just need to flip it. Need to hide this one. And I'm just going to use it like that. And then I can grab this one and invert it and put it right there. And I'm just going to delete this piece. Right? And then I can use this for the other ones. So I'm just going to, so I can tell each one apart. This one needs to be rotated. Like that. And then we rotate this one right there. We rotate again. And that looks like that. Let me enable this. Does it look good? Doesn't look good. It looks a bit weird, I must say. Yeah, it looks a that bit weird. I think I can improve it if I modify the blue thingy. I think. If I, instead of having it like this, I can grab, for example, this color, and let's just do the inside, like that. Wait, I'm on the ground layer. I'm supposed to be in this layer. It did improve the appearance a little bit. Doing it like that. It looks a bit better. Kinda, maybe, not really. Maybe if I remove the this bright blue. Now that looks better. Significantly better. Yeah. The bright blue is probably the thing that is screwing things up. Yeah. Yeah, that looks way better. Yeah. Maybe the bright yellow is also not a good choice. Yeah, it looks way, way better as a carpet. Like that. Yeah. Okay. I want to delete this. Okay, that's 2 out of 4. And I just need to fix this one right here. Okay, I think that looks fine. I just need to fix this one. I can think of any way to improve it, so... okay. Let's see. I'm going to delete this one. Oh. Rotate. Okay. And I need to fix this one. And we're good. Okay. Look at that. That looks way better. Yeah. And if I enable this. Yeah, that looks way, way better. In general. Now it's just the corners that need some work. Yeah. I could literally just do different corners. Yeah, I could just make a variation. For example, I could grab these colors right here. Just make a circle.
Carpet
Maybe.
making stream?
Yeah, kinda. It became a carpet making stream. What I should do here? Should I just make another circle, or should I try to make something here? I could try, for example, make this a square. Maybe that would fit. Something like that. It doesn't look too bad, actually. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. And then I can just copy this. And go to the opposite corner and just flip it right there. That way we have now something like this. Maybe I could integrate this somehow instead of leaving it like that. And I can make it like this. Like that. So the pattern continues uninterrupted. Yeah. What's up? Did you screw up something? Seeing you say tangents? Let's see. I can use this one and do something similar. Okay, I think I can use it like that, and then I just need another circle inside. And for the center, I suppose I can make a bit of a star, maybe? If I set it like this. That actually doesn't look bad. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. It looks a bit weird, actually. Just a tiny bit. Because this one is not running correctly. Like this. Yeah, that actually looks fine. I forgot I stepped on a nail today and now it's starting to hurt again. Wow, okay, that's not nice. Yeah, I hope you have taken preventive measures. Let me clean the back because it's kind of bothering me seeing all the bits of yellow all over the place. I mean red. Now that looks quite nice, very fancy. What do you think? Does that look nice? Not nice, maybe. Not at all. Do it again. Throw it away. Into the trash. Yeah, it's a bit too fancy for a random commercial ship, huh? I suppose my biases are showing. I'm going to need a different layer for this. Let's see. That looks nice. Let me copy this. And I'm going to use this for the other ends. Just to complete it. And you. Like that. That looks a bit weird. Mainly because these are not straight. Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Maybe instead I need to do a straight line. Does that make it look better? Doing it like this? It does look better, huh? I would need to fill this void with, I suppose, a pattern. I would say a square pattern would work better. Something like that. It looks a bit weird, but yeah, it looks a bit weird. Never specified where you work. Yeah. The worst part is that this carpet is turning out to be a bit too fancy for its own good. Okay, that looks better. Maybe if I just remove the thingy completely, that would look way better. It looks weird. Maybe I should have done a circle after all. Yeah, that looks fine, actually. That looks pretty good. Maybe if I remove some corners, it look better. Yeah, that looks pretty nice in general. And I can just complete that. Yeah, that looks nice. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit fancy, huh? I guess I just going to use this one specifically for the boss room and the captain's quarters. Yeah. Could make a fancy dungeon. It wouldn't fit the lore, sadly. I'm going to recycle this pattern. I'm just going to switch the colors. I'm going to grab the block. Like this. And then I grab this one. Like that. And this one. Then I can grab the pattern here. Whoa! Those motorcycles are a bit too loud. Okay. Okay. That looks nice. I just want to fix this up right there. Nice. That looks quite nice. Well, it's not finished yet. I need to do the corners right here. But I suppose I can just copy this. I'm not in the right layer. I will just copy this right here. And copy this one. Sounded like a very small dinosaur. I suppose they might distorted the song a little bit. Yeah. There we go. That looks quite nice. I will argue. Oh wait, I'm missing a little dot right there. And that's it. Yeah, I think that looks fairly well. Question mark? Maybe I need to disable this. That way I can do something like that. I can also... Where did I put that? Okay, I'm going to grab this right here. And move it to a different layer. Probably one below the thing so it doesn't show up. Like that. And there we go. Okay. Good night. Sleep well, Ricardo. Night night. Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Good night. Thank you for coming to the stream. That actually looks pretty good. If I'm careful with the walls, I can actually make this look quite nice. It looks a bit too new and too fancy. But yeah, it looks very good. Maybe if I add a darker layer on top, it would look nice. Whoa, that really changed the appearance of the everything. Maybe I should just the squares. Yeah, because it doesn't quite look correct for the ship, sadly. I need it to be a bit darker. It did change the appearance quite a bit. Yeah. Can't you just convert the entire layer to smart edit and put a color overlay? I have no idea how to do that. Believe it or not, I'm not an artist. I'm quite literally guessing my way through the art. Yeah, this is also not Photoshop. You are indeed correct. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, no problem. It's not an issue. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm probably making things harder for myself by not using programs like Photoshop. I'm using the in-engine image editor. Yeah. From what's his name? Game Maker. Yeah. Oh, that really gave a better appearance. Now it actually looks like it's part of the background. Yeah. It looks pretty nice. Yeah. I kind of wanted to put it on the mushroom. Let's see, mushroom. Second half. Husky. This is the mushroom. Let me make a new tile. Tile set. New tile set. Shape carpet. Yeah. There we go. I can literally just use it for the background right here. Nice. It actually looks pretty nice. I also like how I can make them overlay like this. I can have one and interject them like this without affecting this little overlay that I made right there on the corners. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. It looks like a misa piece actually. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I like this overlay right there. Ah, I missed something there also. Right here. Okay. Everything else looks okay, I think. Let's see, carpets. Okay, let's set it the way I want it to be. I want the room to be like this, okay? Yeah, the puddles I suppose I can remove. I don't need this. And the carpet is like that. Okay, that looks pretty nice, I would say. Yeah. I can add some more stuff to the room to make it look nicer. Dungeon 1 decoration. How about some columns? I need to select the decoration. Like that. Just so it looks a bit more fancy. Let's do a bit more variation actually. I will add some with lanterns. Let's flip this one. I want one of these there and one of these there, and then I can just flip it. Like that. Nice. It looks fairly nice. I want to make the room a bit more symmetrical though. Let's see. Okay, so the center is right here. That means I need a hole right there and a hole right there. And let me fix these ones over to here. Nice. It looks pretty good, I would say. For a boss room, I think it looks pretty good. We also need that door here. Let's see. Bed columns doors. I want a gauntlet lock door. Okay. And this needs to be on the terrain. And I need to fix the grid. Like that. And that goes there. Maybe I could just... Can I just flip it? I wonder. Like this. That looks nice. And I need to fix the walls. So I just grab the tile right there. Nice. If I want to put in each room or just make it as a go. I have the general idea of what I want to have in each room. For example, let me show you. This is the general look of the ship as it is right now. Let me delete some stuff. Not what I want. So, let me clear these lines real quick. So, basically, we have this right here that is the entrance of the ship. I also want to improve it a little bit because I made new assets that I need to add here. But the regional flow of the ship is as this. These ones that are marked with an S are meant to be storage. So what you find mainly here would be enemies and crates and barrels and all that sort, right? Because these chambers all around the edge of the ship are meant to be used for storage, right? Then in this area right here, this area is going to be living space. That is the stuff for the crew, right? So you will find beds, a few crates, but not as many as on the rest of the ship. And you will find tables and all that kind of stuff that you will find on living quarters in a ship, right? 2 rooms are the exception. One is this room right here. That is going to be the sub-boss of the level. The mini-boss, if you will. And the boss room right here. That is going to be the captain's quarters, including this room right here. That is going to be the place where you find the boss treasure. I mean, the treasure of the level. Yeah, the boss is going to be on the captain's quarters. Yeah. I was trying to follow the general structure a ship has, where they have basically the cargo along the edge of the ship, like this, and then you have the crew's living quarters in the center. Then you have the decks up over here, and this is where you will find the what are they called? Sheets. The mastile and the bales, I believe are called. Yeah. So it's going to be like this, right? And then you have the railings over here. That's the idea I have. Yeah, the mast. Right? With this kind of structure. That's the idea currently for the ship. Dungeon. Yeah. And right now I have planned, basically the gameplay of the dungeon is basically finished. That is, I already decided which doors are going to be defeat all the enemies to proceed, or which one are going to be locked doors, or bombable walls, where the keys are going to be, the item for the dungeon, right? The boss room, the boss key, excuse me, mini boss room and boss room, right? I already have the general structure when it comes to gameplay of the chip. I'm just trying to, how to put it, I'm trying to tell a story with the dungeon, right? So I need it to look like it makes sense in some sort of way. Yeah. That's the idea. Yes, right now it's just the general layout. I don't have like a very specific vision for each room. It's just general stuff. Yeah. I'm also trying not to make this dungeon too complex, mainly because it's the first dungeon in the game, so it has to be relatively easy in comparison to the rest of the dungeons in the game. That's why I'm trying to keep stuff simple. Yeah. I probably should update these icons into something more structured. Yeah. That's the idea, that's the idea. Yeah. Also, this map is not perfectly up to date because I need to update it manually. So there are a few stuff that are not quite there yet. Yes. For example, I don't have a... Yeah, it's going to take a few streams. I don't have a... what to call it? Deck assets for this entire area where the mass is going to be. I don't have those assets done, like at all. I need to make them. Brand new from scratch. Yeah. But in general, the dungeon is coming along fairly well. Once I have like the vast majority of the assets, the rest is going to be fairly easy to implement, I would say. Yeah. It's going to be mostly dealing with what is it called? The design in general. Yeah, this dungeon is probably going to be finished before the end of the year. Yes, indeed. It's very likely. Let's see. I was placing these are in the core. Okay. The core. I need to fix the puddles. Remove the holes. Maybe I could add a few holes here and there, actually. Just to add a bit of depth to the whole area. And then I can add some assets here, like a chair. This is going to be set to 16. And then I can add some columns for the ship on both sides. Flip it. Yeah. Beds. Let's add a few beds around the place. Hmm. That looks fine. Now I need some crates. Crates. Let's add a barrel over there and a little crate right here. Just to give more. Actually, this should not be into this layer. Reverse. Okay. And this I will set it to 16 also. I need a bit more decorations. Some columns right here in the middle. I will add a bit more immersion. I also need to add some decorations here, so let's call this decoration. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Decoration tile set. And that's going to be shape decoration, okay? That way I can just add this around, just debris, just to make it look more lived in. Right? And a few lamps. I need to add more stuff in general. I feel like I'm missing what to call it? Assets in general to make each room a bit more clean. Or something like that. I need to make a table also. Yeah, maybe like large crates could be nice. Maybe I should make some cannons. Cannons in a ship would make sense, even if it's a commercial ship for self-defense and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I need to make some cannons. Yeah, that probably will add to the ambience of the ship. Yeah. Hello, welcome back. Welcome. This is looking fairly good. I don't know how well it hold up when it comes to gameplay, but just in appearance it kinda works. Yeah. Maybe if I put out a few more chairs here and there. Yeah, that actually looks quite messy. Not for the people in the ship. It probably should be some dead people in the ship, I suppose. I just need to make the asset. Well, I do have a skeleton asset, but it's a bit too big. I suppose. Yeah, it's a bit too big. A few skulls? I suppose that would work. Yeah. Let me add it to my to-do list. Let's see. Roadmap version 3.0. Skull asset. What else? Cannon? Decoration asset. Let's decoration asset. Leads chairs. What else could be nice? Maybe some plates and cups. Yeah.
Hola.
Hola, bienvenido. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I already added the carpet. I'll set. Yeah. Bienvenido, bienvenido. ¿Cómo estás, Spy? ¿Todo bien? Bien, bien. Todo bastante bien. Progresando con el juego. Bastante bien. Hice esta alfombra, que se ve bastante bien, en mi opinión. Yeah. Yo estoy con una tarea que no termino porque casi me termino petateando por un virus. Yeah. Sí han habido bastantes cambios. Indeed. There have been a lot of cambios. Yes, very much a lot of changes. It looks, I would say, pretty good. Okay, so we have that one. What was the one with the dot for the treasure? I want to add the carpet for that one also. Rooms, dungeon, treasure room. This is the treasure room. Let me clear the puddles. And I want decoration. Carpet. And carpet. Maybe I should just make it like this. Yeah, I think that looks good. And I can just fix this. Like that. And that would be the treasure room. Yeah. Ah, muchas gracias. Sí, ya tenemos 130 suscriptores. I do indeed have 130 subscribers now. Yeah. Ricardo regresó. Bienvenido. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Bien. This needs to be like this. And I need a door. Let's see.
Can you
Okay.
step on Kill Farah?
Wow. For the first time, it's not Kilfera saying that. Or maybe it is. He's just using a different account. Let me check. Yeah, that's not the real Ricardo. Yeah, you were very close indeed. -90. Minus 90. 270. $45. 0. 90. Ah, there we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Ah. By the way, I was talking to Ricardo about something I've been practicing. Yeah. I wonder if I should... Oh. Wow. Okay, it's time. Time. Yeah, I've been wondering if I should give you a sneak peek about something that I've been practicing. I was planning to do a special stream when I got 500 subscribers about that, but maybe I could give you a little small sneak peek. I've been practicing something that is surprisingly difficult to do. Yeah. Should I give you the sneak peek? Should I? Okay, let's give it a try. Uh, okay. I cracked myself up. Excuse me. Thank you. My voice doesn't come out. Hi. I can't. I'm still practicing. No, I can't. I can't do it. I can only say like 2 or 3 words in that voice. Yeah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Yeah, he sounds so weird in that voice. Yeah. Yes. Another is a bit too much for me. Ah, ah, ah. Hmm. Eh. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. No, wait. Uh, yeah. Ah, no, it doesn't work.
Queremos que Mew baile la pelusa.
Ah. 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 Huh? No, I can't. Yeah, it doesn't quite work. It just hurts my throat. Yeah, no. Never mind, I need to practice more. Yeah. Okay, never mind then. Let's go back to my room.
Carpet making stream? Ah, dang it.
Yeah. I can't hold that
Hello,
voice for
Ola.
long. Oh, hello. Yeah. I have to go like super.
Can you step
Super
on
low?
Kill Farah?
Queremos que Mew baile la
Yeah.
pelusa.
I have to go like super low, and then I need to modify my voice in a very particular way. Yeah. It kind of feels like I'm scratching my throat when I try. I can be you the other one.
This one? I can give you this one very easily. Yeah. I'm trying to not put my throat in it. Yes. Yeah. Or do you prefer this one? Yes, very high pitch. Yeah. Something like this. Huh. Or like this. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Or something like this. This is more difficult. When I do it by myself, without using the pitch adjuster, is really hard. Okay, you're going to sleep. That's fine. Good night, bye bye. I'm also going to stop here. Yes. Yeah. Bye bye. Good night. Sleep well. When you sleep?
Can you meow for me?
God. You just think it's funny? Hi. You. Can you? Can you? I cannot do it twice. Okay, never mind. Let's stop there. Bye bye. Good night. Adios. Sleep well. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye. Sleep well. I'm going to grab something to eat. No, I cannot. Good night. Good night. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. I did well. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. My schedule is on Twitter, also in Discord, and also Discord is in the bottom description. The prototype game is on Patreon, free to play.
Adiós.
The shortcut is available on Patreon behind $1 PayPal. And that's it. Bye bye. Bye.
Its top left has some yellow pixels. Well, sleep calls to me. And I must
Bye-bye.
answer. Good night, y'all. Good night, Ricardo. Oh, making them dirty. Can't you just convert the entire layer into smart object and put a color overlay? Oh, wait, this isn't Photoshop, is it? I see, my
Bye-bye.
bad. Looks nice. Oh,
Good night.
nice. Did you plan on what to put in
Sleep
each
well.
room or just make it up as you go? Ah, I see. I guess the boss is at the captain's
Bye-bye.
room? Must.
Sleep well.
Ah, but you don't plan much for the
Good night.
details of each room, just the general layout. Gonna take a few
Pero es una
streams.
posibilidad del
Maybe
viaje
some
por
super
tiempo.
large crates as obstacles. Hello, hello. No dead people in the ship?
I
Since
don't.
Ricardo is
No
sleeping,
creo
I'm in
en la
charge.
posibilidad del viaje
Just add some skulls.
por el tiempo. Yeah.
Como han estado? Duck. Posio pian, nomis yo toi con unitarea que no termino porque casi mi termino pitateando por un virus XD. Why no pos si que han habido cambios, bread. Cambios. Cambios. Cambios slash. XD. Why felicidades por los 130 subs, moi? Felicidades. Congrats. Didn't you go to sleep? Can you step on Kill Farah? How? Lemao. I was close. Next time for sure. Time alert. Parry. Parry. What? I'm waiting. Ara voice. Do it. Don't worry, I won't remember it anyways. Then say them. Oni-san? Can you say ara? Has el mini.
Queremos que Mew baile la pelusa.
Now I'm disappointed. Disappointed face. Omega. Permanent throat damage. Glue water. Cute. Alright, good night everyone. Gonna grab something to eat. Oh, I deleted it too late. Good night. I'm not depraved. I just think it is funny. Stop trying. You're just hurting yourself. Bye bye. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a shoebox. A shoebox in September. A shoebox in 21st of September. And 21st of September make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Nyanyum nyanya jun ianya do no nyarabai da nyakunyaku inayanya kunayanya han nyanya di nyaninaku nyarabiti nyaganya game. Bye bye.
Adiós.
Nos vemos mañana. Preguntarandom ustedes creen en la posibilidad del viaje en el tiempo inverted ? ¿Qué dijo? Yo no la verdad. Quasón. _.xd. Postal bueno. Bread. Banana. Red apple. Cat, big black square, cat, big black square. Duck. Alfa Toro C, al pasado no. Piensa que el tiempo es simplemente la medición que usamos para el movimiento. A frowning face. Cons value. Bye bye. Bye, D.